Hello friends, so today we will discuss about how to study paper number 5, that is financial accounting. So I would like to inform you one important thing that is most important for paper number 5. So let's begin. Length of paper number 5 is more compared to other papers, so might be 3 hours is not sufficient to write entire paper. So how to complete means how to write entire paper in exam within 3 hours. So that thing I would like to inform you. So let's start without wasting much time. So here is index of module, and I will let you know what should be your sequence for reading and how much time you should have to allot for each chapter and weightage of each chapter. So let's start. So here it is study note number 7, study note number 8, study note 9 and study note 10. These all are small chapters you have to do in first priority, because out of these 4 chapters 3 sums will be in exam of 8 marks. So you may save your 24 marks approx by doing these 4 small chapters in as a first priority. So how much time you should have to allot for each chapter? So let's start. So for study note number 7, self-balancing, you have to invest only 1 day. You may complete within 1 day. Royalty you may complete within 2 days. Hire purchase within 2 days. And branch and departmental accounting within 2 days. Means approx 6 to 7 days you may complete these 4 chapters, and you may save 24 marks out of 100. So after that, which chapter you have to do? After that you have to do fundamental of accounting, because out of this study note MCQ एंड सेक्शन ए वाला जो पार्ट होता है उसमें ज़्यादातर जो क्वेश्चन है वो स्टडी नोट 1 में से आते हैं. मीन्स MCQ ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू रीड ईच एंड एवरी लाइन ऑफ स्टडी नोट नंबर 1. मीन्स 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 you have to read, and 1.4 also you have to read line to line, so that 7 to 8 marks of MCQ and section MCQ true and false you can save. So and one question will be from this study note, so you have to do study note 1 as a second priority. And after completing study note 1 you have to do study note number 3, 4 and 5. Out of these 3 study note, 2 sums will be in exam. Maybe 3 sums will be in exam, but usually 2 sums will be in exam of 15 marks. So you have to do 3 study note as a third priority. And how much time you have to allot? So preparation of financial statements you have to allot 2 days. Preparation of financial statements of NPO 2 days, and preparation of financial statements of incomplete records you have to invest 2 days. So within 6 days approx you may save your 30 marks. So you have to do it as a third priority. After that you have to go for partnership, but as per my opinion you have to skip that, because it will cover approx 45 sums in module, so it will consume more time, so you have to skip that. After that you have to do study note number 12, that is accounting standard. You will get one sum of 8 to 9 marks in exam, so you have to do as a fourth priority. I hope you may complete within few days as per my opinion. So after that you may complete this accounting for special transactions. Sometimes consignment and joint venture may be out of 1 sums may be in exam, so you have to do as a fifth priority. So I hope you got what I want to say. So focus on first small chapters and consisting of more marks, and then you have to go for that big sums. So I hope you got what I want to say. So like, share the video and subscribe the channel for more information and updates. Thank you for watching.